Welcome back guys on my YouTube channel. Now in today's video I'm going to be trying to explain what cryptocurrency exchanges are. Now stay with me till the end of this video. I think we'll have learned a lot about cryptocurrency exchanges. Now for those who are watching this video, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share plus commenting down the description, because we get time and we look around your comments and we get to reply to you. So tell us which videos would you like us to make about cryptocurrencies, or tell us which difficulty do you find in cryptocurrencies. Now for the broker, we recommend you to use, I think Binance is the best cryptocurrency exchange at the moment. We recommend you to use and start your trading journey. You'll be able to invest and trade in over 350 cryptocurrencies in the whole world. Now with that brief introduction, I think let me go to my today's topic. Now today's topic is cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, a cryptocurrency exchanger or a digital currency exchange is a business that allows customers to trade cryptocurrencies or digital currencies for other assets. Now, when you look at cryptocurrency exchanges, these are marketplaces whereby you find buyers and sellers who are interchanging different cryptocurrencies. It can be, if you have like USD Tether, you go to a crypto exchanger, but you have USD Tether, would like to buy like Ethereum or Bitcoin. That means you're going to go to the cryptocurrency exchanger with your USD Tether coins, then you swap, or you go in the markets of Ethereum, because when you go in the markets of Ethereum, you'll find there is sellers who are selling this currency called Ethereum. Remember, because for you want to buy Ethereum and you're selling off your USD Tether coins. For them, they are selling Ethereum, but they would like also to buy from you the USD Tether coins you have. So these cryptocurrency exchanges, they have the liquidity of interchanging currencies between traders or between investors or between buyers and sellers in the crypto market. Now, centralized cryptocurrency exchanges act as an intermediary between a buyer and a seller and make money through commissions and transaction fees. Now, we also have what we call centralized cryptocurrencies, and we also have what we call decentralized cryptocurrencies, but they all mean the same, or they all offer one service, which is trading or interchanging of digital assets or currencies. Now you'll find, for a crypto broker, his main issue is to offer you a platform where you're going to buy and sell these cryptocurrencies. Now for them, they benefit from the commissions and the transaction fees they deduct on your amount of money you have placed on a particular trade. So that's where they make money from. But all in all, cryptocurrency exchanges, these are platforms where you go to buy and sell digital currencies or assets. Now I have a little bit examples of the cryptocurrency exchanges. The first one, like we told you, Binance is the largest crypto exchange in the whole world. So the link is down in the description. Hit the link in the description and sign up with Binance Crypto Exchange. We also have what we call KuCoin, and is another big exchanger with over 1 trillion trading volume per day. We also have what we call Bittrex. Bittrex is also another cryptocurrency exchanger, but if you're a resident in Uganda, we don't recommend you to use Bittrex, because Bittrex no longer works in Uganda. So that's why we recommend you to use Binance if you are to trade and invest in cryptocurrencies. The second last one, we have what we call Get.io. Get.io is mainly known a cryptocurrency exchanger with huge cryptocurrencies, mostly for those who have a feeling of investing in meme coins. We recommend you to use Get.io. And the last exchange is called OX. OX is also Perfect exchange just started like 1.5 years back, 2 years, but OX has the best experience. Like their volatility is too much to an exchanger which is just growing. So I think the next 2 to 3 years, 5 years, you'll find OX is among the top 3 or 5 cryptocurrency exchangers with the best service. Now, for those who have made it to the end of this video, I think you have subscribed and liked this video so many times, and also you have learned a lot about the information I've tried to share with you guys. So stay tuned because a lot of content is still coming. Crypto Lives, your mentors, signing out.